Hello and welcome to this beginner's guide to cloud security. In this video, we'll be discussing the fundamentals of cloud security, the challenges it faces, and what steps you can take to ensure the security of your cloud environment. With the increasing adoption of cloud services, security has become a top concern for organizations of all sizes. What is cloud security? Cloud security refers to the measures and technologies that are used to protect data, applications, and infrastructure associated with cloud computing. This includes protecting data and applications stored in the cloud from unauthorized access, theft, and data breaches. Why is cloud security important? With more and more businesses moving their operations to the cloud, the importance of cloud security has never been higher. The cloud offers many benefits, such as scalability, cost savings, and increased efficiency, but it also presents new security challenges. As sensitive data is stored in the cloud, it becomes more vulnerable to cyber attacks and data breaches. It is crucial that organizations implement strong security measures to protect their cloud environment and ensure the security of their data. Cloud security challenges. Data loss or leakage. Data loss or leakage can occur due to human error, security breaches, or hardware failure. Multi-tenant environment. In a multi-tenant environment, multiple organizations share the same infrastructure and security measures. This can increase the risk of data breaches. Lack of visibility and control. Organizations may have limited visibility and control over the security of their cloud environment, as they rely on cloud service providers to manage security measures. Compliance. Organizations must comply with various regulations and standards, such as the General Data Protection Regulation, GDPR, and the Payment Card Industry Data Security Standard, PCI DSS. Steps for securing your cloud environment. Choose a reputable cloud service provider. Research and select a cloud service provider that has a strong track record of security and data protection. Implement strong passwords and multi-factor authentication. Implement strong passwords and multi-factor authentication to protect access to your cloud environment. Encrypt sensitive data. Encrypt sensitive data, such as financial information and personal data, to protect it from unauthorized access. Regularly update software and systems. Regularly update software and systems to ensure that security vulnerabilities are addressed and patched. Conduct regular security assessments. Regular security assessments will help you identify potential security risks and vulnerabilities and take appropriate measures to address them. In conclusion, cloud security is a crucial aspect of cloud computing and is essential for the protection of sensitive data and applications. By implementing strong security measures, organizations can reduce the risk of data breaches and cyber attacks and ensure the security of their cloud environment. Thank you for watching this beginner's guide to cloud PIF security. We hope that you found it informative and helpful. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel Cybersecurity Guru.